Hello, my name is Karen Smith. I'm the owner and one of the electricians at Bright Spark Electrical Services, your local electricians. If you've had standard lamps or the regular old filament lamps or even the old downlight halogen lamps, you need to get the dimmer switch upgraded. A cost saving could be the replacement of the dimmer switch module, which is in the back of the light switch. But you do need to know which of these three holes you put your wires into. That's where we come in. These dimmer switch modules look quite simple. However, being LED and only powering up a small amount of wattage, you can run into problems. With this mounted in a light switch plate, these will light up the lights on a soft, slow start. Not the immediate bang and it was on for halogens. We quite often find people who have had their lights upgraded and with the LED compatible dimmer switches, if they've got children or somebody who's a little bit impatient, when the lights don't come on fast enough, they will start hitting this button. If you're hitting this button too regularly, too quickly, within a very short space of time with power going through it, your lights will start to flash, they will dim down, dim up, and you can't really control your lights. On our website we do have some technical guides and even videos of how to retune these things. There's probably a mini computer in it to be basic on it, but it's the way you deal with it. You have to twist the knob down, you have to twist the knob back up, you hit it a couple of times. Go and check out our video on this. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell to be informed when we release some more videos.